In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create animated Canva slide design. By the end, you'll know exactly how to add professional, eye-catching movement to your presentation in just a few clicks, using Canva's built-in tools. This approach is perfect when you want your slides to feel polished and cohesive without spending time tweaking each one individually. First, open your browser and go to canva.com. Make sure you're logged in so all your projects are available. If you already have a presentation ready, you're all set. From the Canva homepage, click on Projects. This takes you to the place where everything you've created or stored lives. Find your presentation and open it. If you have many files, use the search bar or look at your recent designs to quickly locate the right one. Double check you've opened the correct presentation so the animations go exactly where you want them. With your presentation open, select any slide in the editor. It doesn't have to be the first one. Choosing any slide will work for this process. When a slide is selected, look up to the top toolbar and click the Animate button. This opens a side panel with animation options tailored for slides and their content. Even if you're new to Canva, the layout is straightforward and the Animate button is easy to spot when a slide is active. In the side panel, click Magic Animate. This feature uses Canva's AI to analyze your layout, text, photos, and visual rhythm, then suggests a set of animations and transitions that work well together. The best part is that it applies these choices to your entire presentation in one click, creating a consistent, smooth flow from slide to slide. You'll notice that titles, body text, and images each receive motion that feels coordinated rather than random. It's especially helpful for keeping transitions unified so your audience experiences a seamless story instead of disjointed effects. A few quick pointers as you apply this. Keep your slides clean and readable so the animation enhances your message rather than competing with it. Subtle movement usually looks more professional and helps your audience focus. If your internet connection is stable, the animations load quickly and preview smoothly. And remember, the goal is to support your content, not distract from it. So let the motion highlight key elements and guide attention across the slide. That's it. You've just animated your presentation using Magic Animate quickly and cohesively. Enjoy presenting with a polished, dynamic look.